Hi, I'm Rachel from TLAB at the Palo Alto Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade, flexible trivets out of chopsticks and yarn. They make a great gift and are an easy project for when you're bored. So let's get started. The materials you'll need are 8 pairs of wooden chopsticks that are all the same length, about 3 pieces of yarn that are 20 feet each, 4 6 to 7 foot pieces of yarn, 8 10-inch pieces of yarn, and 40 small rubber bands. I use 4mm braces rubber bands, but you can also use rubber bands that are 1 to 2 centimeters. You'll also need a piece of cardboard that is 2 inches wide, scissors, and a floss threader or large-eyed needle. To start, separate all your chopsticks so you have 16 sticks and then wrap 1 rubber band around each end of each chopstick about ½ inch from the end. This will prevent your yarn from sliding off. Then line up your chopsticks in alternating opposite directions and take one of your long pieces of string, double it, and tie it to your first chopstick. Then weave the thread through your chopsticks by going over one chopstick and under the next. Do this through all of your chopsticks and then turn around and come back. As you go, keep pulling it tight and scrunching it up. You can scrunch it as much or as little as you want, but if you scrunch it more, you'll have to use more yarn. Repeat this over, under weaving until you run out of yarn. Tie your piece of yarn around your chopstick and cut off the excess. And then start the same process with your next long piece of yarn until you reach the rubber bands on the other end of your chopsticks. Then cut off all the excess yarn and tidy up the scrunching. set this aside and take one of your 6-foot pieces of yarn and your piece of cardboard. Wrap your yarn around your cardboard about 20 times evenly over a space of 1 inch. Then cut the yarn across the edge of your piece of cardboard. Next, take one of your 10-inch pieces of yarn and cut it in half. Cross the two halves to interlock them, and then tie one of the pieces underneath your tassel, and the other will be used to tie your tassel to your trivet later. It should look like this. Then take another one of your 10-inch pieces of string and wrap it around the body of the tassel. Cut off the ends and tidy up the bottom of your tassel with your scissors. Repeat these steps another 3 times so you have 4 tassels. Once you have all your tassels, take each tassel and attach it to one corner of your trivet by taking the ends, threading them through your floss threader or large-eyed needle, and then threading it through an outside weave of your trivet close to the top or bottom. Tie a knot and cut off the excess. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful and compact trivet that makes for a perfect gift and will keep your cocoa, coffee, or tea warm and festive.